Inflatable camping tent for season glamping tent. Easy setup, waterproof, windproof, outdoor blow-up. Can be placed inflatable beds or other outdoor furniture. One-piece PVC air hose. Storage bag. Double-layer mesh ventilation window. Package content. Quickly inflatable tent erection by hand pump. It can reasonably balance the breathability and waterproofness. Can accommodate 3 to 4 people for gatherings, giving you and your family or friends plenty of space to enjoy an outdoor vacation together happily and easily.